Excellencies, distinguished delegates, friends, our planet is under strain like never before. Temperatures are rising, biodiversity is collapsing, and nearly every person on Earth breathes unsafe air. Yet this assembly offers hope. With just 5 years left to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, UNEA-7 is a moment to invest in resilience, commit to justice, and remember what we are fighting for. Sustainability is the bedrock on which all our ambitions rest. Peace, prosperity, equality, none of these exist without a planet to exist on. As the Global Environment Outlook 7 reminds us, now is the time for courage and creativity. We must rapidly scale solutions on a range of challenges, from water management and climate resilience to mining, metals, and the environmental footprint of AI. Africa, the birthplace of UNEA, is already leading the way. Here, young minds are inventing a sustainable future. Here, sun and wind promise a green revolution. Here, critical minerals can power clean economies if harnessed fairly and sustainably. Excellencies, you meet in turbulent times. Conflict and inequality make meaningful progress for the environment more difficult. But with the tide turning in favor of renewables and the help of the next generation, transformation is within reach. As United Nations enters its 81st year, your work here can remind the world of the power of multilateralism. The UN Water Conference and next year's first Biodiversity Beyond National Jurisdiction Summit will offer further chances for action. In the wake of the UN Climate Summit in Brazil, we must fulfill the promises made and close the gaps that remain. Friends, our duty is clear. We must transform broken systems, unite policy with science, and share solutions with all. Let this be the assembly that dared to set humanity on a path to protect our only home for generations to come.